one of a kind in-store pickup today with the reservation, especially here in Champs. Like, it's my first time that I'm the only one who is buying one in-store customer and the gate is closed. Wow. Thank you. Can you guess how many men's and grade school that we pick up today on the Jordan 1 Electro Orange? What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here. In this channel we talk about lifestyle, sneaker related stuff, and today we're gonna pick up our winning sneakers from the raffle on Finish Line, Foot Locker, Champs, and all the foot sites. So I'm excited to see this in hand. This is gonna be our on foot for today. Jordan 4 UNC. Heading to the first mall. We're gonna get 2 pairs in this mall. Heading to the JD Sport.
Size 4.
I'll take it.
You want it?
Okay, we're done with the JD Sport. 2 pairs. I kind of surprised with the Jordan 1 Shadow. Next up, Foot Action. Look at this one. Foot Locker. Meron sila rito. Okay, next up is the Champs. Two pairs, one from Foot Locker and one from Finish Line.
Wow!
So, yun. There we go, you got the wins on Finish Line. Next up, 10. Alright, so next stop in another mall. We're going to another Finish Line. There we go, another pair on Finish Line, mostly on grade school. I need to go back on this mall because I almost forgot one of the shoes. Good thing I put it down and list all the things that I need. No leftovers on JD Sport. Everyone already picked up their pair. They said this shoe is a brick and no demand, less demand. But everyone pick up their pair? Thank you. One of a kind in-store pickup today with the reservation, especially here in Champs. Like, it's my first time that I'm the only one who is buying one in-store customer and the gate is closed. Wow. Thank you. There we go. That's all for today. Alright, so before we dive into the pickup of the day, the Jordan 1 of the day, I was kinda surprised. I found this also on the store. We got the Shadow 2.0.
Size 4.
I'll take it. Good thing I look around, and as I actually didn't really saw it until I go all the way around the store. And hey, look at those. See? Sometimes you don't have to just go and pick up the one that you are going to get on the raffle. Rather, look around also. Why you might gonna find something that it might there is also a good for the collection and for the resale. Same thing happens here when I found this. So another pair, and this one, boom. And it's a good thing that they did a restock again. In this particular foot action, I found before like size 13 and size 7.5, but hey, I really asked for my size 10.5. But man, they're out of 10.5. They only have size 10 and size 11. So I had to take the 10. I just might be gonna wear a thin socks. So that is my another thoughts that to consider. If you are in the store, you have to look around. It's not just go and pick up the raffle that you want. Okay, here we go. Smells good. So how many pairs we got on men's? We got 6 pairs on men, and I think 8 pairs on grade school. Mostly I really focuses on the grade school because as we already know, the demand is not there for men's, but there is more demand on the grade school. I already sold some of the men's sizes 11.5. So why did I didn't have that much wins? Because I focuses on bigger sizes because the demand on those sizes are more than the smaller sizes. So that's why I didn't have that much win, because we already know I am competing with the other reseller down here, and they focusing also on the same size. What do you think on this one? Did you copy it for resale or the personal? I would like to hear your thought. Leave a comment down below. Okay, so that would be all on this vlog for today. Sneaker hustle mall pickup on the Jordan 1 Electro Orange. So what is your thought on this particular shoes? And also, what do you think on another pickup and restock from Foot Action? So, would love to hear your thought. If you like this video, can you please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Bye bye.